Want to create those viral AI fruit videos everyone's talking about? It's incredibly simple. First, head to ChatGPT. We need a super detailed prompt. Think ultra-realistic apple, huge adorable cartoon eyes, a charming smile, cinematic lighting, and photorealistic textures. Be as descriptive as possible to get the best results. Now, take that precise prompt and paste it into Google V3. This is where the magic happens. Adjust your settings for a beautiful depth of field and those bright, colorful backgrounds that make your fruit pop. Then, just hit generate. In mere seconds, you'll have a professional Pixar-style fruit animation. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And it's guaranteed to grab attention. This trend is huge right now, so jump on it and start creating your own viral content today. Don't wait, try this easy technique and watch your engagement explode. If you found this quick guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge AI tutorials. You won't want to miss them.